How to use coupons on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app, navigate to the U tab. Now here you're going to find this section, coupons and offers. Click on that. Under that, you're going to find 3 tabs, unused, used and expired. Under unused, you might find the list of the coupons that are still available. Heading towards the tab used, here you're going to find the list of the coupons that you have already redeemed. And under expired, you're going to find the list of the coupons that you cannot use right now. In order to redeem coupon, head over to the section unused and here type in your coupon code and click on apply. With that, the code will be redeemed and in your next purchase, you're gonna get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, there is also next way. You will need to head over to the checkout page. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find the option apply coupon code. Click on that. Now here, type in the code and click on apply. With that, the code will be redeemed and you will get discount in this purchase. So these are the ways to use coupons on Temu. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.